Hi guys, this is Magdalena, and as you know, nowadays with so much information all over, people are overwhelmed and they are being bombarded with the information all the time, 24/7. So when you are making your content, especially a video content, don't make them too long. 3 to 5 minutes is the most. Otherwise, people don't have patience to watch it, and if they don't watch it in full, then you are losing on the algorithm, because it's all about how much you watch, how much you engage with content of a person or a business. So make the content clear and precise and short, and less is more. This was Magdalena from Miss Immigrant Orange River Media, and I'll be back. Ciao.